In this video, we're going to be adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing fractions. With adding and subtracting, you need common denominators, and multiplying and dividing, you don't. So if we have, for example, a half plus a fourth, we need to find a number that both denominators go into. In this case, that's a 4. So if we change this 2 to a 4, we multiply it by 2, and now we have 4 in the denominator. But because we multiplied the denominator by something, we need to keep the fraction the same value. So I'm also going to multiply the numerator by that same thing. So now we have 2/4, which is the same as a half. 2/4 plus 1/4, add numerators, keep the denominator, 3/4. Same with subtraction. So if that were minus 2 minus 1, you would have 1/4. Multiplying and dividing, if we had 2/3 times 4/5, really easy. All you do is multiply numerators, multiply denominators. So that's going to be 8/15. One extra step with dividing, if it was 2/3 divided by 4/5, you can change the division to a multiplication and then find the reciprocal of your second fraction. So flip that second fraction, and then you'll get 10/12, which you can divide both by 2, so that's 5/6.